Hello, this is Mr. Regal, and I want to go over a few tips to help you maneuver through Canvas. First off, if you go to the app, that's fine, but sometimes the app will have issues, and if the app's having issues, always try to go to the website, and that's dvusd.instructure.com. So that's where you go. When you get on there, you're going to see a little notebook over here to the left. It says, and if you put your finger on it, it'll say Courses. Click on Courses. You're going to go to your class, and for this instance, we're going to Fitness Center. Okay, the home page is generally the syllabus page, so you can kind of scroll up and down, move around, but I want to talk about some of these tabs over here on the side. Okay, so first thing, home page, syllabus page. If you want to see some due dates, come on down to the bottom, and you can see your course summary with all your due dates. These are all the assignments that need turned in throughout the course of the semester. So this is the very bottom of your syllabus. Second thing is announcements. There'll be a lot of announcements in here that you'll want to look at, so you click on announcements. They'll pop up sometimes when you get a new one, but you should always go in there and make sure you've read them all. Second thing, I like to move through this course in modules. And if you go through modules, you'll see kind of goes in sequential order. Like these due dates here are like the 27th, and then as you move down, these are the 31st, and as you move down here, this is the next month, the 7th, and you can kind of go through the course. Okay, so that's how you go through modules. Modules, I think of it as units. So that's a good way to think of it. Your grades, you click on there, you can see your grades. Conferences, the only time we'll use conferences is when we have a big blue button online review. My hours. My hours will need done every week. Alright, so you'll click on this tab in here, and then you'll come in here and you'll log in and report your hours. Those are due Fridays at 5 p.m. So it's important that you do that. Not only that, but there's also a quiz in the modules that will need. You basically just need to click yes that I did do the my hours. But this is separate. This is my hours, and for the 14 weeks semester, you'll need 9 hours each week. And that stuff doesn't pertain to you at all. So there it is. So those are a few things to help you maneuver through Canvas. I hope this helps getting you started with class.